trickery is this? Mal'Ganis! I don't know how you survived, but
Calm yourself, Prince Arthas. I am Tichondrius. Like Mal'Ganis, I am a Dreadlord. But I am not your enemy. In truth, I've come to congratulate you.
Congratulate me?
By killing your own father and delivering this land to the Scourge, you have passed your first test. The Lich King is pleased with your enthusiasm.
Yes. I've damned everyone and everything I've ever loved in his name. And I still feel no remorse, no shame, no pity.
The rune blade you carry was forged by the Lich King and empowered to steal souls. Yours was the first one it claimed.
Then I'll make do without one. What is the Lich King's will?
The cult of the damned must be rallied once again. Many of the acolytes have been in hiding amongst the populace. Once you've rallied them, I will give you further instructions.
No one orders me around. At last. Frostmourne hungers. Finally.
Greetings, great lord. Our master, Kel'Thuzad, told us that you would come.
Kel'Thuzad? How could he have known it?
Be wary. If the townsfolk see your undead minions, they'll call the local guards to stop you. I bow
This
to
is
your
more
will.
like it. At last.
Mercy, my lord.
This is more like it. Frostmourne hungers. Finally. At last. No one orders me around. This is more like
Seek out the local graveyards. Those buried there will serve you well. Feeling.
Speak, fool.
I shall be your eyes. I'll look into it.
What is it now?
My sight is yours.
Tread lightly.
The undead! Sound the
Pain shall
alarm!
be legendary. The damned stand
Finally.
ready. What needs revealing?
Speak, fool. This is more like it. Faithless coward. I'll make sure you suffer. What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. Speak, fool. Finally.
I bow to your
Frostmourne hungers. Finally. This is more like it.
Run.
Dead have returned.
Finally.
What needs revealing?
attack.
Let's
Speak,
see.
At last. Frostmourne hungers.
dead have risen again.
Only to serve.
No
Guards!
one orders
My
my
sight is yours.
Speak, fool. Tread lightly. This is more like it. Faithless
Help!
coward.
The undead have returned.
Frostmourne hungers.
The undead! Sound the alarm!
This is more like it. Frostmourne hungers.
My life for Nezul.
Ah!
I shall be your eyes.
Speak, fool. Finally.
What needs revealing?
Tread lightly. This is more like it.
My sight is yours. All shall be revealed.
Speak, fool.
What needs revealing?
What is it? Must be. At last. Frostmourne hungers.
Mercy, my
At
lord.
last. For the Lich King. Frostmourne hungers. Finally.
The undead! Sound the alarm!
Tread lightly. I'm in luck. These graves were dug recently. Arise in the name of the Lich King. No one orders me around.
My sight is yours.
Tread lightly. No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. Frostmourne hungers.
I shall be your eyes.
Damned stand ready.
Speak, fool. This is more like it.
My sight is yours.
Tread lightly. What is it now?
What needs revealing? I go unseen. All shall
Speak,
be
fool.
revealed. Say your prayer.
Frostmourne hungers.
Bandits, run!
Now, Frostmourne. Faithless coward.
I bow to
At
your
last. Finally.
will. I shall be your eyes.
What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it.
Must be.
Tread lightly.
My life,
Frostmourne
Bonezu.
hungers. Finally.
My sight is yours.
What is it now?
I bow to your will.
Tread lightly. What is it? This is more like it. Tread lightly. Sure you say. Finally. What is it? Speak, fool. This is more like it.
The damned stand ready.
I shall be your eyes.
No one orders me
My
around.
sight is yours.
Faithless coward. Frostmourne hungers. You will know endless torment. This is more like it. Frostmourne hungers. What is it
What
now?
needs revealing?
Speak, fool. Ah, at last. This is more like it.
I shall be your eyes.
No one orders
What
me
needs
around.
revealing?
Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at
I
last.
shall be your eyes.
Now,
My
Frostmourne.
sight is yours. I'll look into it. I go
Tread
unseen.
Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers.
What needs revealing?
What is it now? Finally.
The damned stand ready.
For the Lich King. Ah, at last.
I shall be your eyes.
Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers.
I bow to your
My
will.
sight is yours. Let's see. All shall be revealed. I'll look into it.
What is it now?
I shall be
Tread
your
lightly.
eyes.
Mercy, my lord.
Faithless coward. This is more like it.
What needs revealing?
No one orders me.
My sight is yours. I go
Speak.
unseen. Let's see.
What is it now?
You should burn in hell.
Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it.
I shall be your eyes.
What is it now? Finally. This is more like it. Finally.
My sight is yours.
No one orders me around. Speak, fool. No one orders me
I shall be
around.
your eyes.
Speak, fool.
My sight is
The damned
yours.
stand ready.
Tread lightly.
Must be.
I live only to serve. No one orders me around.
Finally. This is more like it. Finally. This is more like it. For the Lich
What
King.
needs revealing?
Tread lightly. Ah, at last. Frostborn hungers.
have returned.
Finally.
Your pain shall be legendary. Kill them all! My life for Nessuet.
No one orders me around. Frostborn hungers. What is it now? No one orders me around.
I shall be your eyes.
At last.
Well done, Death Knight. The cult is nearly assembled.
Lordaeron lies in ashes. What good are these cultists to us now?
They will aid you in your next undertaking.
And what's that?
You will go to Underhall and recover the remains of the Acolyte's former master, the necromancer, Kel'Thuzad.